Nifty's new highs in Jopali, Wall Street's tumble sparks interest rate worries. Well, in yesterday's trade, Nifty stood tall and most importantly, was seen flirting with the psychological 23,000 mark. Buyers confident amidst 1. Investors hoping or expecting continuation of the current regime in the general elections. But this Friday's morning, we have a very bad news from Wall Street. Overnight, Wall Street tumbled after a hotter than expected manufacturing survey sparked worries over interest rates. Worries about whether or not the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates in the coming months were shaking the stock market. The fall was such that even Nvidia stock, up 9% after a strong earnings report, was not able to stop the slide. Amidst this doom, US bond yields spiked, with the 10-year Treasury up to 4.478%. Bottom line, we will spy with one big eye if Nifty from a newlywed becomes a widow in today's session. We say so because, in yesterday's trade, Nifty after spiking to spectacular record high is pointing to a gap down opening this morning. Global cues are negative as Wall Street continued to drop after hawkish FOMC minutes. In yesterday's trade, FIIs and DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 4671 crores and 147 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating massive consolidation day. FOMC month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 23,500 zone. India VIX is trading firm at 21.38 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th May, has spiked towards 1.34 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th May, is at 1.23. Nifty outlook, volatility is likely to be the hallmark. Nifty, CMP to 2968. Support, 22,800 to 22,700. Resistance, 23,100 to 23,200. Range, 22,800 to 23,200. Bias, bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 48769. Support, 48,500 to 48,300. Resistance, 49,000 to 49,300. Range, 48,500 to 49,300. Bias, bullish. Strictly speaking, in yesterday's trade, the Bank Nifty outperformed the Nifty 50, rising 987 points or 2.06% to 48,769 and forming a strong bullish candlestick pattern on the daily time frame. The positive takeaway was that Bank Nifty traded above all key moving averages now. Nifty's upbeat session was on backdrop of technical bullish constructive outlook as the benchmark was above the 21, 50 and 100 period exponential moving average EMA. Meanwhile, India VIX, or Volatility Index, which measures the market's expectation of volatility in the next 30 days, has shot higher above 21 levels, indicating heightened volatility ahead.